Do you want to learn how to use what's next in Motionvid? In this video, I'll show you how to use it. So they just released this new feature, what's next, and it helps you to generate 8-story continuations of any image that you have generated. So over here, I've generated these images with Nano Banana Pro, like this one. And if you hover on one of your images, you'll see this what's next button. You can click on it to generate 8-story continuations, or you can also go here and click on what's next. And it's going to show you your recent generated images on the bottom. Also, you can just upload the image from here and then you can generate those variations. So this is one of the examples of what's next. This was the original one that I generated with Nano Banana Pro, and these are the 8 images, the story continuations that it did. So you can use these as a start and end frame to generate the motion between them. The guy is going to enter inside the office, so it's going to hold the door and then it's going to open it, then walk inside. So you can like do start frame, end frame, and then start frame, end frame. Animate the motion between them. Now I'll show you one more example. We go over to image and I generated this one. This is with the help of this Motionvid photographer. This is same as Studio. So over here, I'm going to click on this what's next, and it's going to start generating at 8 continuation shots. And there you go. It made these story continuation shots based on this original image. Looks nice. They all look nice. And you can take these images, like this could be this start frame, this could be the end frame, and animate the motion between them. And yeah, that's it. That's how to use what's next in Motionvid. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Motionvid related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.